Liko noma sana bana. How are you? Eh? Wewe hiyo haga ina mambo, nyinyi wacheni bwana. What's your name?
My name is Rosemary Muthoni.
Rosemary Muthoni.
From
How are you,
Kenya.
Rosemary?
I'm very fine, Mr.
Very
President.
good. So, ulipata pesa ya nyota?
Yes. Tulikuwa Kasarani.
Yes.
Na tukapatiwa the 25,000. Then the 3K went to NSSF. Savings.
Savings. Very good.
So, my business is quite unique because I live with a parent that is allergic to nyama. So